Step through the mist and into the canopy. We are surrounded by a tropical rainforest bursting with towering trees and wild waterfalls. This environment is a powerhouse of life. Occupying a tiny percentage of Earth's surface, half the planet's animals find shelter here among vibrant, restorative plants. These plants purify the air we breathe, earning rainforests the title lungs of the planet. This life-giving, protective design reflects the nature of God, who acts as a refuge for everything he created. Today, our focus is on Tango, a quetzal known for incredibly bright, complex feathers that show off the sheer creativity found in the wild. We are going to build our own colorful quetzals by harnessing a very specific, invisible physical property of water. Gather your scientific curiosity. We are about to run an experiment to uncover how detailed creativity hides right in plain sight. Step 1. Pick up a permanent marker and write your name clearly on your empty plastic sandwich bag. Set that bag to the side. This will act as the safe drying zone for your final project once the wet portion of the experiment is over. Now verify your materials. You need a basin of water, a flour sifter, a plastic spoon, and your tropical tint powder. Have a partner hold the flour sifter perfectly flat over the water. Use your plastic spoon to scoop a small amount of your chosen tint powder directly into the mesh. Have your partner gently tap the side of the sifter. Your goal is to dust a very light, even layer of powder over the water, without disturbing the liquid below. This diagram shows the mechanics of what is happening right now. The water molecules at the very top tightly hold on to each other to form a barrier known as surface tension. This acts like a skin, allowing the light granules of powder to rest safely on top rather than sinking. But those molecular bonds can only hold so much weight for so long. Eventually, gravity wins, the bonds break, and the powder drops to the bottom of the basin. Because that clock is ticking, you must execute the final transfer step quickly before the surface tension completely collapses. Understanding and using this invisible barrier of water is the only way to successfully capture your floating colors before they are lost to the bottom. Pick up your blank quetzal card. Make sure you are only pinching the absolute extreme edges of the paper with your fingertips. As this graphic shows, do not treat the basin like a dye bath. If you push the card underwater, you will ruin the print. Instead, lower your card perfectly flat. You want to stop moving the exact moment the paper kisses the floating powder. Hold your hands perfectly still in that position. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3. Now pull the card straight up into the air. Do not tilt or slide it across the water, or you will smear the pigment. Turn the paper over. You have successfully adhered a bright, chaotic, marbled pattern of colors permanently to your card. Finally, take your wet card and place it flat onto the plastic sandwich bag you labeled earlier so it can dry. By carefully following the physical laws of surface tension, you instantly froze a temporary chemical reaction into a permanent piece of unique art. Take a moment to look around the room and compare your finished card with the designs your peers just created. Because the powder scattered randomly and caught the paper at different angles, it is mathematically impossible for any two cards to look exactly the same. Scientists use a specific word to describe this kind of massive variety in nature: biodiversity. It means an ecosystem is packed with thousands of entirely different forms of life. The infinite variety on your cards points to the scale of God's design. He populated the world with millions of distinct, individual species, each with its own colors and characteristics. That high level of intentional, unique design applies directly to you. Every detail of who you are was crafted on purpose. When we see this breathtaking variety clearly, whether it sits on a wet piece of paper in front of us or thrives deep in the rainforest, we can confidently know that God is the ultimate creator.